Good morning! Oh, what a nice day. I wake up early today. I feel happy. I look out the window. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. It is sunny outside. It is warm. Today is a good day for the beach. I want to go to the beach today. What do I need? Let me think. I need my beach bag. I need a towel. I need water. I need sunscreen. The sun is strong today. I need a hat or a cap. What is in my bag? A towel. Good. Sunscreen. Good. A bottle of water. My phone. Good. A little snack. Good. I also take my wallet. Maybe I will buy something at the beach. Maybe water. Maybe ice cream. Maybe a hot dog. That sounds nice. I also take a small book. Maybe I will read a little. Okay, my beach bag is ready. What do I wear? I put on shorts. I put on a t-shirt. These shorts are light and comfortable. This t-shirt is good for warm weather. And go outside. Oh, it is very sunny. Good thing I have my cap. Good thing I have my sunglasses. The weather is beautiful today. I close the door. I check my bag again. Phone? Yes. Water? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Walk to the bus stop. I am at the bus stop now. There are a few people here. Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful weather today. Yes, it is very nice. I wanted to somewhere special. Are you going somewhere special? Yes, I am going to the beach. Yeah, we sit on a day like this. Oh, my bus is coming. I think so too.
Hello.
Hello. One ticket to the beach, please.
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I sit by the window. I like to look outside. The bus is moving. I can see trees.
I see houses. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. I am here! The beach is so beautiful. I can hear the sea. I can hear the waves. The air is fresh. I walk on the sand slowly. I put my bag down. I take out my blanket. I spread my blanket on the sand. Now I can relax.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this your first time here?
No, not my first time, but I do not come here very often.
It is very nice today.
Yes, it is perfect. Oh, the water is a little cold.
But it feels good. The water is cold today.
Yes, but it is nice after a minute.
Yes, that is true.
Lucky you. Now I come back to my blanket. I sit down. I dry my face. I drink some water. Now I want to sunbathe a little. It is lovely. I close my eyes for a moment. Look, my kite! Yes, I see it. It is very high. Wow, that kite is beautiful. Thank you. My son loves kites. What a nice color, blue and yellow.
Do you like my kite?
Yes, I do. It is very pretty.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day. Now I want to walk by the sea. Maybe I can find some shells. Oh, here is one. And here is another one. This one is white.
This shell is very pretty.
You found some nice shells. Yes, I did. I like collecting them. I do that too.
Really?
Yes.
The beach gives little gifts. Enjoy your walk. Now I want to draw in the sand. Maybe a heart? And maybe a sun. Maybe I can write my name too. That is nice.
Thank you.
Can you draw a flower?
Yes, of course. Look, here is a flower.
Wow, thank you.
Got you. Got
Okay.
This place is so beautiful. I want to take some photos. The sea is blue. The sky is clear. The light is beautiful. I take a selfie too. Now I want to walk more. I see some rocks over there and a nice path. I want to explore a little.
This place is great for photos.
Yes, it really is.
The view is amazing from those rocks. Yes, but be careful.
Okay, thank you. I walk slowly. I look around. Everything is so beautiful.
Now I am a little hungry and thirsty too. I see a small food stand.
Hello.
Hello?
What would you like?
A bottle of water, please?
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, one hot dog, please.
Would you like ketchup
Yes, please.
and onions?
No, thank you.
Okay, here you are.
How much is it?
It is €6.
you are.
Thank you very much.
I was very thirsty. Now I eat my hot dog. It is very tasty.
That looks good.
Yes, it does.
This place has nice hot dogs.
I can see that. Not often, but I like it here.
Yes, it is a good place to relax. Jij dus vervorming de fiends, a good place to relax.
I hear seagulls. I hear the waves again.
Tom, throw the ball here.
Everyone looks happy today. Now the day is getting quiet. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. The sunset is so beautiful. I sit and watch it. It makes you slow down. Beautiful, isn't it? It is wonderful. Sunsets at the beach are always special. It makes you slow down. It is time to go home now. I had a very good day. I swam in the sea, I sat in the sun, I collected shells, I drew in the sand, I took photos, I ate a hot dog, I watched the sunset. It was a lovely day. I put my things back in my bag. I fold my blanket, I check everything again. Phone? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Shells? Yes. Great. Thank you for spending this day with me. Today I went to the beach. It was sunny, warm, and beautiful. I had a great time. Thank you for watching my blog. Please subscribe if you want to see more. See you again soon. Bye!